really makes a difference on how you finish, how it finishes. And I don't see chipping on the edge, and I don't see any breakage, but I get, it's like these chunks of stuff. So I don't know where that's coming from, if it's the spine or what the deal is. Okay, it's starting to be more consistent. Let me see what it says. It's still pretty loud. It's cutting easier though. But I think it's got some more work to do. Yeah, that side has the better feel to it. So I'm just going to focus a little bit more on the side. Sliding across the top on that Reynolds toe right here. Doesn't even feel like it's biting. I wonder if I got just too much swarf in the stone. That might be it. This might come up the stone really easy with the metal. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see deterioration on the end, but it's just yeah, it's just not good enough. I'm gonna go with this stone to see. Yeah, that spot right there is just super gummy feeling, like grabby. It's just an interesting feeling metal. Like it's way different. Not way different, but I mean it's like noticeably different cutting. Like the way the stone, how it feels on the stone and the feedback. It feels like that's the problem area right there. After this, I might, after that, get this sharpened properly, I might have to do a little touch up on the grinding, clean it up a little bit. because I'm getting pretty close to where what the wear was like a little bit when I got it. Yeah, it's pretty much getting to where the home wear was, but the bevel is fairly even, and that's what I look for when correcting. I want an even bevel, preferably on both the spine and the bevel, but what matters is the cutting edge ultimately. So you can have it as pretty as you want, but if it's not shaving good, then what's the point? It's like those people that buy brand new cars and get the car of their dreams and basically sits inside of a storage unit, and they use it 1 or 2 times because either they're too scared to have it damaged or they're not in good health to be able to enjoy it, and all that kind of stuff. Tools are made to be used. But if you like collecting them and looking at them, that's fine. I just personally think it's a waste just sitting in a box not being able to be used, but that's my personal thing. I just think you're missing out, because there's some things that are for looks, vases, but they have their use. You can put water in them and keep plants or flowers in them, but they're for looks. But with razors, it's a tool, and something special about using a tool that has been passed down generation after generation, whether it's in your family or not, that still has full use of since the day it was made. That's pretty unique. But I guess it's like old hand tools as well. The feeling's starting to come along now. I think I got past that gummy feeling, which is interesting. I don't quite get it. And notice the swarf is like kind of greenish. On another one, I think it was kind of yellowy. So there's some kind of chemical reaction with the cuticle and the metal. Yeah, that spot's still troublesome. I don't think the temper is ruined. It didn't feel like that. It doesn't react that way. It's not crumbling. Like the edge doesn't crumble on me that I know of. I'm getting these little pieces, but I can't see it on the edge. But it might be also it's just doing it so minutely that it's not noticeable, because usually like you get like a chunk. It looks like a chunk out of your edge. So I'm gonna have a peep at it real quick with my little eye. I spy. Nice hazy finish all the way to the apex, and no chunkaroos. So let me rinse this off. just got real light slurry. And we'll see. Starting to squeak, so that means it's getting that polish going. You know, something about that helix to squeak. More so than the toe. Not so raspy, but you still hear a little crackle. Oops.